Good morning. The sun's up, a new day is here, and you're exactly where you need to be. It's the perfect moment to set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Let's start with a few minutes just for you. 5 simple morning stretches, no equipment, all at home. These stretches are designed to gently wake up your body and mind, preparing you for whatever lies ahead. So roll out your mat, or just find a soft spot on the floor. Let's wake up together. This is your time to connect with your body and breathe deeply. First up, the neck and shoulder roll. This stretch is perfect for releasing any tension that might have built up overnight. Drop your shoulders and let any tension from your sleep just melt away. Feel the weight of your shoulders easing down. Roll your shoulders back and forth, feeling your body start to loosen. Notice how each movement brings a sense of relief and relaxation. Now, gently tilt your neck side to side. This simple motion helps to stretch and lengthen the muscles along your neck. With every breath, let yourself feel lighter. Imagine the fresh morning air filling your lungs and energizing your entire body. Now, reach both arms up overhead. Stretching upwards helps to elongate your spine and open up your chest. This is the side body reach. It's a wonderful way to stretch the sides of your body and improve your flexibility. Lean gently to one side, feeling the stretch all along your ribs and waist. Take a deep breath and feel the expansion in your rib cage. Pause for a breath, then reach to the other side. Notice how your body feels more balanced and aligned. You're waking up your spine, making space for new energy to flow. This stretch helps to improve your posture and relieve any stiffness. Next, let's fold forward. This stretch is great for releasing tension in your back and hamstrings. Bend from your hips, reaching down toward your toes, or just as far as you comfortably can. Feel the gentle pull along the back of your legs. Let your head hang heavy and breathe deep. This position helps to calm your mind and reduce stress. Feel the stretch in your back and the backs of your legs. Each breath helps you to sink a little deeper into the stretch. Every exhale helps you release a little bit more. Let go of any remaining tension with each breath out. Now, come down onto your hands and knees for cat-cow. This dynamic stretch is excellent for mobilizing your spine. As you inhale, arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone. Feel the gentle stretch along your spine. As you exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. This movement helps to increase flexibility and relieve tension. Move slowly, matching your breath to each movement. This mindful practice helps to center your thoughts and focus your mind. This stretch is like a gentle massage for your spine, and it feels so good first thing in the morning. Enjoy the soothing sensation as you move. Last one, standing quad stretch. This stretch is perfect for waking up your legs and improving your balance. Stand tall and grab your ankle behind you, keeping your knees close. Feel the stretch along the front of your thigh. Find your balance. Hold onto a chair or wall if you need. It's okay to use support as you stretch. Feel the stretch along the front of your thigh. This helps to improve flexibility and reduce muscle tightness. Switch sides and notice how your body feels more awake, more alive. This balanced stretch helps to energize both legs equally. Take a moment. Bring your hands together at your chest. This gesture is a way to center yourself and express gratitude. Close your eyes for just one breath. Feel the calm and peace within you. You did something good for yourself. Acknowledge the effort you've made to start your day positively. You're awake, energized, and ready to take on your day. Carry this energy with you and let it fuel your activities. Remember, even 5 minutes of gentle movement can totally shift your morning. It's a small investment in your well-being with big returns. Thanks for joining me. I hope you carry this sense of calm and energy throughout your day. I hope you feel amazing.